everyone. So it's laundry day, another endless chore that we do in our lives, but made a little easier with Norwex. So laundry detergent, standard brands are loaded with fillers and chemicals. And keep in mind, if you're washing your clothes in those, and wearing those clothes, it's being absorbed into your system in 26 seconds. Let's eliminate that and go with the Norwex laundry detergent. Old bag is blue, the new bag is white. You'll hear me refer to it as UPP, Ultra Power Plus. This stuff is great. This bag has 100 loads if you have a high efficiency. You can also choose to use the liquid laundry detergent, 215 loads in this little bottle. And it's pre-measured. One pump is all you need to do your laundry. So load up your laundry, in it goes. The recommended amount for, depending on your size load and what type of laundry or washing machine you have, whether it's a regular or high efficiency, the instructions for usage and how much to use are on the back. You can use a bit less. So for a full load, instead of a full scoop, I'll use half. And it's more than enough. So this bag is going to last you for a long time. So if you are like me and you have a husband with really stinky work clothes, he comes home and I swear the clothes walk themselves to the laundry because they really reek. You can do one of two things. Norwex makes an odor eliminator, 3 great scents, love it. It's great. You only need a little cap full in the liquid fabric softener dispenser. However, instead of that, white distilled vinegar, cheap. It's a natural odor eliminator. I will pour a half a cup into the dispenser and whatever stink is in there, gone. So love that. Once your load is done, into the dryer. My favorite, and Norwex makes 2 types of laundry or dryer balls for your dryers. I like the wool dryer balls. You get what you pay for. You can buy them cheaper, but these are made with wool from high quality sheep over in New Zealand. So best you can get. They're going to last you. Remember, Norwex has a 2-year warranty on all their items. Who does that? So one of those, you get what you pay for. Notice mine, and they come as a 3-pack. For most loads, 3, you use all at the same time. 3 is what you're going to need. If you have an extra large capacity, you might want more in your dryer. I put a large safety pin on all of mine. Helps reduce the amount of static. Static is something we all struggle with, especially in the winter when our furnaces are going nonstop. Dryer balls are meant to lift and separate your clothes so that you use less dry time. So if you are getting a lot of static when you take your clothes out, you need to lower your dry time. So say you had it at 50 minutes, drop it to 45. Still got a lot of static? Drop it a little lower. You're going to find that these really reduce the amount of time that you will dry your clothes. The other thing you can, if you like scent, I personally just want my clothes free of everything, yet people who love essential oils will put a drop or 2 on this and put it in at the end of the cycle. So if you're drying your clothes for 50 minutes, the last 10 minutes, put in a dryer ball with essential oils and you'll get a light scent. Personally, I like the little essential oil rollers. I love them on my wrists, and I'll get my scent that way, but that's a personal preference. So laundry done easy. Next load. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.